I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Lexus RX330 windows. This procedure is commonly needed after your vehicle's battery has been disconnected or replaced. Resetting the windows will restore the convenient one-touch auto up and down feature for each window. You might notice the window switch lights blinking, which indicates a reset is necessary. Let's get started with the steps. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the ACC or on position, but you don't need to start the engine. Locate the driver's side window switch. Fully lower the window by pressing and holding the switch down. Once it's completely open, pull the switch up to close the window entirely. Continue holding the switch in the up position for about 1 to 3 seconds after the window has closed. Now, you'll repeat this exact process for each of the passenger windows. Go to each individual door and use its respective window switch. Fully lower the window until it's completely open. Then, pull the switch up to close the window all the way. Remember to hold the switch in the up position for an additional 1 to 3 seconds after the window is fully closed. This ensures the calibration is successful. After resetting all windows, it's important to verify their functionality. Test each window to confirm the one-touch auto up and down feature is working correctly. Also, check that any blinking lights on the window switches have stopped. If you encounter any persistent issues, or if a window still isn't operating as expected, please refer to your Lexus RX330 owner's manual for further troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.